segregation using a high-range water reducer, or segregation. Segregation control or segregation destabilization. Segregation. Who cares about this segregation? So when the paste pulls away from the aggregate, that the paste is so fluid that it just drops out of solution, or when you do your spread, you'll see this nice halo effect. That's what we're identifying here, answering a question: when does that concrete mix become sensitive, and what is it dependent on? Is it dependent on just the high-range water reducer dosage, or is it a combination of the water with the high-range water reducer? So these are the different things that we're looking out for, but when it comes to, the data set that we want to create, we created our own hypothesis, what we should see, and ultimately it's going to be a comparison of the sensitivity to segregation, which is the actual slump, including a halo, if the halo is developed, over the design. And this is just a hypothesis. We don't know if it's going to be exactly this, but again, this is what we're targeting, this type of comparison to get us this type of answer. And we think we already know, but we still got to do the tests, we still got to run the data set and then do the analysis, which of course we'll present to you. So hopefully you're going to get something out of this. We're setting this up for you, the end user. Let us know if you got any concrete questions, concrete concerns. Thanks for joining us today. Go Concrete! Beat as one!